Good morning. I would like to just express my deepest appreciation and the great honor I've received today. I've been invited officially to India, Indonesia considers India a very great friend. India was one of the first country, maybe the first country to recognize our independence, to support us in our struggle for independence. We will never forget what India did to help us. I'm really honored today, and I'm doubly honored that tomorrow I will be the chief guest at